This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return as an Uber driver in Canada. First, understand your tax obligations as a self-employed individual. Begin by gathering all income and expense records, including mileage logs and receipts. Also, determine if your gross revenue requires you to register for GST/HST, which is crucial for compliance. This initial preparation sets the foundation for an accurate and smooth filing process. As an Uber driver, you must report all gross income earned from your rides. Simultaneously, track and deduct eligible business expenses to significantly reduce your taxable income. Common deductions include fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and a portion of your cell phone bill. Remember to keep meticulous records for at least 6 years to support all claims, ensuring you are prepared for any potential review by the tax agency. If your gross revenue from all taxable supplies exceeds $30,000 in a 12-month period, you must register for GST/HST. Once registered, you are required to collect GST/HST on all fares from passengers. You will then remit the collected amounts to the Canada Revenue Agency, typically on a quarterly or annual basis. Understanding this threshold and your responsibilities is key to proper tax compliance. To complete your tax return, you will use Form T-2125, the Statement of Business or Professional Activities. This form allows you to report your business income and expenses, ultimately calculating your net income. This net income is then reported on your personal income tax return. Ensure you file your return by the specified deadline, which is typically June 15th for self-employed individuals, to avoid any late filing penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.